There we have the Google Pixel Phone 6a, and this one has some amazing features. So let's get ready for some tips, tricks and hidden features, and let's start with the gesture controls. If we swipe up from our home screen and scroll a little bit down, we get to our settings. Right here, look for System, and now we can head over into the gesture controls, and boy, we have a lot of them. As the very first one, we can quick tap the back of our smartphone to start some actions like taking screenshots right quick. We can make it open up certain apps like YouTube, or we can play and pause our current music track. Now by quickly double tapping our power button, we get quickly to our camera, and that works from basically everywhere. So you can do it in the middle of a YouTube video or a WhatsApp message, and it will still open up. A pretty cool and useful trick is that if we flip the phone twice, the front camera will change to the back camera. And if you do it again, it will switch up again. Now as a little side info, if you're getting ready to sleep and you forget to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, don't worry. With the flip to shh mode, your phone will automatically go into D&D mode once it lays upside down. Now I got two more gesture controls for you guys. One of them is the one-handed mode. So if you have tiny hands like me, it's always a little hard to get all the way on top with just one hand to scroll down to your notifications, open up the quick panel, or do anything like that. But with that enabled, you can click the little box which will drag down the screen a little bit so you can work easier, especially if you have crooked thumbs like me and you can't even reach to half of your screen. And as for the last gesture control I got for you guys, and that is the system navigation. Now, if you're old school, you might like to have a little bar on the bottom of your screen so you can go back to the previous page or open up the latest tabs. But you can also switch that up and only use the gestures. So swiping left and right from your screen will get you back, and swiping up and hold will get you to your recently opened apps. Now let's stay for the camera right now, and right here we've got an awesome feature, which is the top shot. On the top right corner, we have a little settings icon. If you press it, we can toggle on the top shot. Now what it does is, if you're taking a picture while you're moving the camera around, it will be something like a mini video with lots of single pictures, of which you can choose afterwards which you want to take and use. You can either choose one yourself or take the suggested photo. Now again, over in the settings under sound and vibration, we will find the now playing feature. Now if you toggle that one on, you basically will never need Shazam anymore, since it will hear the surroundings and the noises, and if it detects a song, it will pop up on your screen, even if your screen is locked. So now you can see the name of the song and the singer, plus you can listen to the song right afterwards on YouTube. The next feature on the list is the live transcribe and the live caption. You will find this feature over in the accessibility. Live transcribe is pretty much self-explaining. It converts your speech into a text, and I really have to say that it's working really good. I rarely see any wrong words. And live caption is kind of the same, except that it's doing it during your videos. So it's capturing the words of the video that you're watching. So you can, for example, pull up YouTube and turn on the live caption, and it will dictate all of the words that the YouTuber or whatever you're watching is saying. Now you can also translate it into German or French if you kind of dig languages. Plus you can move the box around on the screen to any place where it doesn't bother you. Alright guys, on a Google Pixel 6a, we can customize our wallpapers. Just long press the home screen for a split second and click on Wallpaper in Style. So not only can you change your wallpaper over here to either some stunning landscapes or your own pictures, but you can also set the tone for the color. So as we're clicking through these color blocks, you see that the whole screen is shifting to the color of this block. By the way, over here you can also change your theme of the phone to the dark theme. So you save a little bit of your battery life and your eyes won't get that tired that fast. Man, so we are zooming through these tips and tricks. So the next one will be a short one. So now you can just swipe down from your home screen to get to your quick panel. So you might know that already. But you can actually customize that as well. Just long press on any of these features and you can change the order, kick it to the curve, or you can add some new ones. If you're like me and like to take screenshots, for like example, I found some cool furniture or I found a funny meme and I wanted to send it to some friends, but the meme or whatever might be a little bit too big, or you have the furniture photo and the price is a little bit further down and they won't see it, so you have to take two screenshots. Now, with the Google Pixel 6a, you don't have to do that anymore. Just for example, go over to YouTube and take a screenshot. Now you can actually open that screenshot up by clicking on Capture More, and now we can just increase the size of the box of the screenshot. And as last, the Google Pixel 6a does support reverse charging. So if you happen to run out of battery life on your second smartphone, or your buddy is, you can just place this one on the back side of it and you can share some of your battery life. And if you happen to have a third one, you can put this on top, and if you happen to have a fourth one, you can put this on top, and they might blow up. But just don't try it. And guys, that's already it for today. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe and like the content. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.